whatever it is, your feet get used to it in a stationary position. And then when you start to go again, you've no idea the energy it takes to take a step here and get on, dislodge your foot from the neck. Ah, Jesus.
It's okay, Santa, it's okay. We'll change it.
As you can see, I'm still in learning mode. Okay, rocks underfoot now. It's a bit rougher around the edge. Sharp as rocks, I say. So that's it. Oh, we're on now.
Tell them that you're going to go for a...
Yeah. Now here I am. I've just arrived to the spring here. Freshwater spring, drinking water, wash water, two separate areas. And I got to wash off all this mud from the paddy fields where I've been slaving. This lady here has the jug. She's brought it along, and this is for pouring the water. You have to put a rope around that to bring the water up from the well and pour it all over you to get this mud off me. But I have to stay away from the drinking water area when I'm doing that.
Yeah, you can go down.
So I'm going in now.
You can go inside, right inside, down.
I need that ticket.
You can give the picture to her.
Yeah, just stop for a minute.
Yeah. Okay. All right, Santa.
Oh, that feels great. There's a fish here, yeah?
Yeah, this fish that... Yeah.
There's fish all in here.
Yeah.
So I'm down in the bathing area, the wash off area. Lovely water comes in here constantly. And I'm going to have a wash, and I'm going to get some assistance from my friends here. They're going to do the Can I take out this?
Yeah, you can take it off. No problem. Take it off.
And as fast as I can lose them. Here, yo.
Got it.
Okay, will you throw that on me, Pat? Did you get some water?
Got.
All right. Whoa! Oh, mother of God. As hot as it is out, that's cool, to say the least. Oh, lovely. Oh, I'll get another one of them now. Oh, that's fantastic. I can really do a mix of cement here with that. Make a mud house.
Okay, Santa. Ready?
Are you ready for another one?
Okay, go.
Fish, yeah.
Good?
Oh, what's the deal that was
Okay.
So, I hope the fish are not upset.
No, the fish won't do anything. Don't worry. Just mind your head. Behind is a wall. Yeah.
No mosquitoes around here anyway,
No,
thank God.
they won't come till 6.
Huh?
As after it gets dark, they come in.
Only after dark.
Yeah.
Good thing I don't like them boys. And they're not fond of me. Well, they are fond of me, that's the thing. Too fond of me. The white skin on me. I think it's me outside blood I have.